In this video, Tasha Keeney, a well-known finance expert in Cathie Wood's Tea and an investment analyst at Cathie's fund, ARK Invest, will discuss her insights on Tesla's remarkable growth and innovation prospects, drawing from her extensive understanding of cutting-edge technologies such as robotics and autonomous vehicles. Kim, a rising star in the finance sector and a popular speaker at conferences and events, feels that established automakers like Ford should be worried about the market's underpricing, the declining popularity of gas-powered cars, and their lack of a great autonomous solution. Tesla and the conundrums it offers to established manufacturers. This video will discuss two significant occurrences that have the potential to double Tesla stock, as well as Tesla Insurance's potential to upend the established insurance industry and enhance car safety thanks to its distinct positioning and high demand. Keep watching as we go into this topic. But first, smash that like. Keeney thinks the company still has a ton of capacity for development and innovation, making it an interesting investment prospect for the future. And click the subscribe button. Well-known experts have given us their insights on Tesla. In this video, Tasha Keeney, another specialist, will share her thoughts with us. Rising star Tasha Keeney is well known in the banking sector for her in-depth understanding and perceptive evaluation of new technologies as potential investments. An analyst at ARK Invest, Keeney is committed to learning about the most recent developments in industries, including artificial intelligence, robots, and autonomous cars. Because of her experience, Kimmy has gained recognition in the field and is regularly asked to offer her opinions on financial news networks. She is also frequently featured in publications such as Forbes and The Wall Street Journal. Thanks to her studies and experience, Kimmy is a highly sought-after speaker at conferences and events where she imparts her knowledge and leads stimulating conversations on the newest advancements in technology. In the financial sector, Tasha Keeney has established herself as a thought leader, especially in relation to disruptive technologies. And she repeated her statement. Keeney will definitely continue to be at the forefront of this exciting and rapidly changing field. Their potential impact on investment opportunities as the world changes and new technologies arise. Longer-term reports suggest that electric cars are here to stay. But if I were Ford or any other traditional automaker manufacturer, I would be extremely concerned because the bulk of their installed base and the cars they sell are gas-powered, which is a trend toward decline. And they also lack a strong autonomous solution. She continued by saying that they had abandoned the idea and discussing the two significant developments that might soon cause Tesla stock to double. But first, next week, I would want to discuss some recent announcements made by Tesla that may have an impact on the company. As of right now, demand is more than it has ever been, and production is outpacing supply by a factor of 2. Texas won't start producing cars in significant numbers until 2024. Which brings me to my 2023 initial catalyst. Although this new car might be the 25000 Tesla that we've all been waiting for, Tesla has a huge potential to deliver up to 2 million cars in that year. Elon may have other plans though. In the comments section, I was curious as to whether you thought we'd see a less expensive Tesla on March 1st. Additionally, Tesla Insurance is growing at a rate of 20 per quarter should be addressed. But many people still forget to do so because everybody who knows Warren Buffett understands that the insurance industry, which is today valued at approximately $300 billion in the United States, is the foundation upon which he established his empire decades ago. As of right now, Tesla Insurance is offered in the best states, and by the end of 2023, it will be sold in 45 states. Using data collected from vehicles, Tesla Insurance is a revolutionary product from the electric vehicle manufacturer, designed to give owners of Teslas access to customized, reasonably priced coverage. Tesla is able to provide prices based on the habits and driving patterns of certain drivers in order to lower the risk of accidents and assist drivers in staying safe on the road. The insurance program uses the company's autopilot technology as a vital component. During a Yahoo Finance interview, Tasha Keeney discussed her ideas about how Tesla Insurance may be a big source of income for the business, as it has a sizable and expanding insurance market. According to Keeney, Tesla has a distinct advantage because of its capacity to gather and examine data from its vehicles. This data offers insightful information on driving habits and patterns, enabling Tesla to create new products that are suited to the demands of its consumers and provide more individualized coverage. Moreover, Keeney noted that by examining the data gathered from the insurance, Tesla Insurance can be used to enhance the safety of Tesla automobiles. Program long-term success for Tesla depends on its ability to pinpoint areas where its cars and autopilot system need to be improved. This might result in a safer and more effective driving experience for Tesla owners. As a whole, Tasha Keeney's insights on Tesla insurance highlights the significant potential of the program as a revenue stream and a tool for improving vehicle safety. As Tesla continues to expand its insurance offering and collect more data from its vehicles, the company is well positioned to disrupt the traditional insurance market and offer more personalized and effective coverage to its customers. It'll be extremely difficult to compete with Tesla because of its unique positioning to take a significant market share of that. It's crucial to keep in mind that one of my favorite investment techniques is to just dollar cost average into Tesla, and if the price declines by 5 or 10%, I'll continue to buy additional shares before I go through the most recent developments that you might have missed. This is because Tesla, in my opinion, still has a ton of room for development and innovation. We still have stunning news. Demand is still strong despite what you've heard or read from Tesla or the media. Many doubters thought Tesla's reputation would suffer if Elon became Twitter CEO. But after hearing what Elon had to say, doubters should be more at ease than ever. Demand has been the most often asked question by investors, according to Elon. I want to allay that word by stating that we have had the strongest orders year to date so far in January than ever before. I'm happy that we can continue to produce cars that are cheap for as many people as possible, because that has always been our goal at Tesla. I believe that a sizable number of people desire to purchase the Tesla vehicle, but are unable to do so, making this price changes significant for the typical consumer. I think Tesla will keep breaking sales records despite the decline on the auto sector. All things considered, we're also making really good progress on cost control, and we're seeing the cost of production in Berlin and Austin decline proportionally to the production boom. If you don't believe me, just listen to this. Hence, despite everything, Tesla will continue to set records. However, while it may sound completely irrational to predict that the same Tesla might double in value within the next 12 months, please bear with me, since I still plan to gradually buy Tesla stock whenever I can. Not to mention that Cathie Wood has repeatedly purchased the dip despite having a ludicrous price target for Tesla for the next 5 to 10 years. For Tesla to meet its aggressive price goals, it needs to increase profits while reducing production costs. I think the company is headed in the right direction to achieve both of these objectives. And I also think that a lot of traditional automakers are trying to catch up to Tesla because they were previously unsure about its viability in the market. Tasha discussed Tesla's potential and the majority of recent developments. They believe that since traditional automakers primarily sell gas-powered cars, they are in danger, and that electric vehicles are the way of the future. Two notable developments that Tasha mentioned are the growth of Tesla's insurance company and the release of a brand new, reasonably priced $25,000 Tesla, which could cause the stock price of Tesla to increase twofold. Goals to reach 45 states by the end of 2023. Since Elon Musk continues to see opportunities for innovation and growth, she is a proponent of dollar cost averaging into Tesla shares. She also points out that despite some concerns about demand, Tesla insurance may give the company a significant share of the $300 billion U.S. vehicle insurance market. That's all for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Wall Street Games right away. We value your time and hope to see you in our next video. Tasha believes that Tesla will continue to shatter sales records and that the company is headed in the right direction to increase earnings and reduce costs.